Welcome back everyone. In the last video we have seen how we can download the Scratch desktop application and use the Scratch online editor. Now let's see how we can use the Scratch online editor from a smartphone. So you can go directly to your browser. So there are two ways. One is you can directly use from the mobile view. So I can click on start creating. Let me rotate it for you. Okay, so generally when you see it will be like this. So what you can do is you can hold the top layers, maybe just beside sound and from scratch, something like this way. Hold on this layer, maybe for understanding, on the right of this stop and on to the left of this green flag, this way. Okay, and you can adjust your screens. You can close the tutorial.
With Scratch,
You can start working with Scratch. Was one way of doing it. The second way is you can go to the options, the three dots that you see, turn on the desktop site. You click on that. Okay, reload. So we'll see the desktop version of Scratch online. So we can zoom it the same way. So it's little easier when compared to the mobile view. The same way you can use different blocks to program your sprite in the desktop application as well. Done that. Let's see. So you need to hold it on the top. Okay. This way you can work on the costumes as well, on the sounds as well. So there's no mobile application from MIT Media Lab. So you can try using the online Scratch editor from your browser itself. So once you are done with the project, if you would like to share it or if you'd like to save it for future reference, I'll stop this. You can go to this file option, save to your computer. We'll save it to your phone. It downloaded the file to my mobile phone. So the next time I can come to files, I can say load from my computer, and then I can select that particular file. Okay. That was it. How to use Scratch online editor from your mobile phones. So try it and keep learning. Thank you.